this is what I don't like about a lot of podcasts. They don't make statements. It could be a good game. Of course, it could be a good game, but make a statement. Say what's going to happen, like we do on this podcast. Miami's going to blow the hell out of Virginia Tech. I'm letting you know right now. What you're finding out in the ACC is teams you thought were good were just average. I remember when Georgia Tech beat Florida State, I said 2 average teams just played. It's kind of like what you're finding out is the teams that were supposed to be good because they beat certain teams, they're beating average teams. Miami's not an average team.
By the way, should we give a golf clap to FSU? They finally won.
Nah, I hate FSU.